Happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy 44th birthday to me.
That was good, baby. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Breakfast burger. Got gravy, got everything in there. Mm. All right, so we made it to our hotel here at Pacific Beach, San Diego. And, well, this is what our hotel looks like. Good job on the booking, babe.
You're welcome.
So typical me fashion, I bring in my Chucks. But then I brought my old Dockers slides, but they feel a little too big. So we went to CVS because I still needed to buy a charger, which shows I cannot be an influencer because I can't remember to bring my charger. But I bought flip flops at CVS. And you can see my fat feet hanging over the sides. But for $6, fuck it. So now we're gonna go walk the beach. Or the boardwalk. The beach. Yeah.
Here we are in sunny San Diego at Pacific Beach. We came here to celebrate my birthday. Well, really, it's our joint birthday. Hello. Look at our view. Wow. Beautiful beaches. Look at that handsome guy. My vision in dark brown, handsome fella. There's I again. So we happen to walk all the way down to the beach line. Let me show you a closer look at the beautiful water. Ooh-wee. And the handsome man. And me again. Shalom. Toodaloo.
All right, so it's currently 5:30 p.m. 17:30 for those of you who do military time. And we are back in our hotel. We went and had linner at the Crack Shack. And then we were walking along the boardwalk, and picked up some ice cream. We went to the, what was it called, baby? It was called it was called Glazed Coffee and Creamery. So of course my wife got herself a little swirl, right? Chocolate vanilla swirl like us, or a chocolate vanilla swirl. And then I wanted a milkshake. I was like, "Hey, can you guys mix? Can I mix two flavors together?" And at first the girl was like,
No, I don't think so. Let me ask.
so she walked over to the person managing whatever, and yeah, of course I was able to mix my chocolate and peanut butter, and they use actual peanut butter in the mixture. So chocolate and peanut butter. It was delicious. I devoured it, and yeah, now we're back here in the hotel. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, wait for the sun to come down, then walk the other half that we haven't walked yet, and that'll be the night.
And then?
And then tomorrow, we're gonna play by ear, I guess, because she wanted to go to Waffle King, which is somewhere we had breakfast last time we were here for our 10th wedding anniversary. And that one is actually at a hotel on Hotel Circle. So hopefully if that's the case, cool. But we're not gonna. Yeah, we want to hit Old Town. We want to hit Old Town. She had thumbs up. She's over there chilling on the bed, relaxing. This is a beautiful room. Look at this beautiful sunshine that we get in here. That we can't really leave the blinds open because people can see us because there's a lot of foot traffic along here, so they can actually see into our blinds. There's also a little porch right here, got the windows open and stuff. Anyway, enjoying our time here on Pacific Beach. We specifically wanted a hotel near the ocean, near the beach. So that's the case. We also walked ourselves down the beach to the boardwalk. And so on and so forth. But yeah, anyway, this is our trip to San Diego to celebrate my wife's 44th birthday. Woo! All right, so Wifey and I got a little hungry. I want to say about maybe, 7? About 7 o'clock, 1900 for those of you who do military time. And we looked at the little menu here for room service. My wife wanted room service. She wanted a calzone, and the calzone would have been like $40 for a 14-inch calzone, pepperoni only. So I said, nah. We looked up some nearby pizza places. There's a lot of pizza places out here, and just based on reviews, we decided to go to Woodstock's Pizza. And as you can see, here's my shirt, Woodstock's. It's on Garnet Avenue. And we stopped in, had a good time, had a good pizza. And staff was very friendly. Of course, Pepsi products. So I just wanted to shout out Woodstock Pizza with my shirt here. Shout out JC, who was our cashier, server, all that out there. And really good pizza. Dough was cooked perfectly. Not too thin, not too thick. I don't know how else to describe it. It was really good pizza, and the dessert pizza was very delicious. My wife, the vlogger. I keep telling my wife that if we get together and do vlogs and I change up my content, then maybe I'll be a better YouTuber or something. But she doesn't want to. I don't know. I think she's afraid of criticism and image, but Brooks and Dunn once made a song that says, put a girl in it. Till you put a girl in it, you ain't got nothing. And it'll sell, right? Anyway, here we are, enjoying the waves at night after our pizza. closer.
Oh, we're dark.
I'm dark. Smile.
I am. That's still dark. Did you get that over there? That spot?
Yeah, I got all that, baby.
And all that? And that guy up there in the sky, so high, and the stars, and the moon sign.
Wow. This is pretty cool.
It's really beautiful.
Not the kind of views you get in Coachella Valley.
Absolutely.
But we're gonna turn in for the night and wake up tomorrow morning to go to Old Town. Stay tuned for part 2. It's your boy King Chiro. Thank you for watching. Remember that you're loved, and remember to be great every day because tomorrow is never promised.
Every day you wake up, you got a decision to make. To go right or left, up or down, right or wrong. At the end of the day, you make the decision. Nobody forces you. So make the right decision. Make moves, set the goal. Stop making excuses, man. And if it look like a duck, walk like a duck, and sound like a duck, it's a duck. Stop guessing. Just do the right thing. You heard? You hear me? I love y'all. Stay positive. Love one another.
All right.